In today's video, I'll show you on how you can change the keyboard backlight color for ASUS TUF. First things first, you want to look for this specific button, which is going to be the FN button. This is called the function key, enabling us to press quick buttons on our keyboard. For example, if you press FN F12, it will then enable the airplane mode functionality. F1 muting the volume, F2 enabling us to unmute the volume, so on and so forth. You simply want to look for these buttons right here. In our case, or in this specific model, it's going to be the arrow keys. Now, if you press on FN and arrow key up, it will then turn on the backlight. If you press it for the second time, it will then raise the brightness, and the third one is going to be the maximum brightness. It's going to be the same one for the down arrow key right here, which will lower down the brightness until you turn it off. Now, to change the styling color of your backlight, you will be able to do that by pressing FN and aura key, which is going to be left and right. Now, on some other models out there, it's going to be a little bit different. You can just look for the aura or the light key on the F1, F2, F3 buttons right here. But to make things easier, you can simply search for the ASUS Armoury Crate. In here, you want to navigate through the official website and get the Armoury Crate. It is their official application, as we go ahead and see right here. Now, this makes things easier for us to edit the effects of our keyboard. As you can see inside the application, it will enable us to automatically detect your keyboard, and basically from there, you then have the ability to choose the effects, change the color manually, and more. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow guides to everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.